Welcome to the NEET Level Quiz Challenge. Today we test your knowledge in physics, chemistry, and biology. Let's begin with physics. Physics question 1. A body is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity of 30 meters per second. Choose the correct maximum height reached. Options are A. 30 meters, B. 45 meters, C. 50 meters, or D. 60 meters. Take 5 seconds to pause and calculate. Think about the relationship between initial velocity and displacement. Here is a hint. Use the kinematic equation v square equals u square minus 2gh. Remember that v is 0 at the peak. The correct answer is 45 meters, which is option B. Congratulations if you solved it correctly. Explanation. 0 equals 30 squared minus 2 times 10 times h. Solving for h gives us 45 meters. Moving to physics question 2. Which of the following is the standard SI unit for measuring power? Is it A. Joule, B. Newton, C. Watt, or D. Pascal? Solve using the definition of power. Pause the video now. Recall that power is the rate at which work is done or energy is transferred. Hint. 1 unit of power is defined as 1 joule per second. It is named after a famous inventor. The answer is watt. Option C. Power equals work divided by time, which leads to joules per second. Now, let's switch to chemistry. Question 1. How many electrons are present in a neutral sodium atom? The options are A. 10, B. 11, C. 12, or D. 23. Consider its position in the periodic table. Pause and determine the answer. Remember that in a neutral atom, the number of electrons equals the atomic number. Hint. Sodium is the 11th element in the periodic table. Its electronic configuration is 281. The correct answer is 11. Option B. A neutral atom must have an equal number of protons and electrons. Chemistry question 2. Which of the following substances is considered a strong acid in aqueous solution? Options: A. Acetic acid, B. Citric acid, C. Hydrochloric acid, D. Carbonic acid. Pause and think. Which of these acids completely dissociates into ions when dissolved in water? Hint. Common strong acids include sulfuric, nitric, and the one found in your stomach's gastric juice. The answer is hydrochloric acid. Option C. It fully dissociates into hydrogen and chloride ions. Let's move to biology. Question 1. In a eukaryotic cell, where is the majority of the genetic material located? Options: A. Cytoplasm, B. Ribosomes, C. Nucleus, D. Golgi apparatus. Pause and identify the control center of the cell. Think about where chromosomes are stored. Hint. This organelle is membrane-bound and contains the nucleolus, where ribosomal RNA is synthesized. The correct answer is nucleus. Option C. It houses the DNA that directs all cellular activities. Welcome to Part 2, High Difficulty Numericals. Physics question 3. An object is dropped from a height of 20 meters. Calculate the final velocity before it hits the ground. A. 10 meters per second, B. 20, C. 30, D. 40. Pause and calculate. Use the acceleration due to gravity as 10 meters per second squared. Hint. For free fall starting from rest, use v square equals to gh. U is 0 here. The final velocity is 20 meters per second. Option B. V square equals for 100, so v is 20. Chemistry question 3. In the periodic table, which group is known as the noble gases? Is it Group 1, Group 17, Group 18, or Group 2? Think about valence shell stability. Pause and select your answer. These elements are known for being chemically inert under standard conditions. Hint. This group includes helium, neon, argon, and krypton. They all have a full outer shell of electrons. The answer is Group 18. Option C. They are stable and rarely form chemical bonds with other elements. Biology question 2. Which organelle is responsible for the production of ATP through cellular respiration? Is it A. Chloroplast, B. Mitochondria, C. Lysosome, D. Endoplasmic reticulum? Pause and recall the powerhouse of the cell. This organelle is found in both plant and animal cells. Hint. It is a double membrane-bound organelle where the Krebs cycle and electron transport chain take place. The correct answer is mitochondria. Option B. They convert chemical energy from food into ATP. Final biology question. In the human respiratory system, Where does the actual exchange of gases occur? Options are trachea, B. Bronchi, C. Alveoli, D. Pharynx. Pause and identify the structure with the highest surface area for diffusion between air and blood. Hint: these are tiny, balloon-like structures at the end of the respiratory tree, surrounded by a network of capillaries. The correct answer is alveoli, option C. This is where oxygen enters the bloodstream and carbon dioxide is removed. Great job on completing today's NEET level quiz. Review these concepts to strengthen your exam preparation. See you next time.